Hello, once more, your Arun sir going to teach mathematics, and the name of the chapter is Fundamental Operations. Fundamental Operations in Algebra. First chapter we have already discussed the basic concepts related to algebra we have discussed. Now we are going to discuss addition and subtraction of algebraic expression. Addition and subtraction. In general, we are knowing in arithmetic, we are knowing addition and subtraction, but here we are going to learn addition and subtraction of algebraic expression. Let me discuss the addition and subtraction in arithmetic, then we will come to algebra. In arithmetic, 5 plus 2 is 7, or 2 plus 5, same thing. Now 5 minus 2 is 3, and minus 2 plus 5 also 3, both are the same thing. Now minus 2 minus 5, it will be minus 7, and 2 minus 5, it will be minus 3. So this thing we have discussed in arithmetic. Here in algebra means where literals are used with the numbers. That is the algebra, and we are going to discuss addition and subtraction of algebraic expression. Now, dear children, like term and unlike term we have already discussed, and I have told you that addition and subtraction is possible only between the like and unlike term. Addition and subtraction is possible only between the like terms. So that part is very, very important. Let us see exercise 2a. And in exercise 2a, question number 110. Question 110 we will solve. What is this? Add the algebraic expression in each of the following. Means we have to add 23x cube, 12x cube, 12x cube, and minus 34x cube. See here, dear children, x cube, and x cube means all these three terms are the like term. So subtraction and addition is possible. We have to add it. What we will do, just put addition symbol. 23x cube plus 12x cube, and plus we have to add, so we will write the sign of plus, and in bracket minus 34x cube. Now see, 23x cube plus 12x cube, and it will become minus 34x cube. Now here minus sign is there, and in this plus sign is there. So first add what it is coming. 23 plus 12, 3 to 5, and 2 1 3, 35x cube, and minus 34x cube. So 35x cube minus 34x cube will be 1x cube. No need to write 1. We will not write 1x cube. Directly we will write x cube, and that is the answer. See here. No need to write 1x cube. Simply x cube means 1x cube. So first addition we have understood. Second question, find the sum in each of the following. Same, here also we have to find the sum. Add, and second question is to find the sum. Same thing we have to do. Let us discuss question number 2. We have to find the sum. It means we have to add. I will like to solve question number 8. Question 2, 8 number. Last question. What is the question? The question is 3ABC. 3ABC, 4BCX, 4BCX, 2ABCD, 2ABCD, and minus 5ABC, minus 5ABC. Dear children, first find the like term and let us put the sign of addition. Sum we have to find. So 3ABC plus 4BCX plus 2ABCD, 2ABCD, and plus and minus sign, minus 5ABC. This is the question. Let me once again write it. 3ABC plus 4BCX plus 2ABCD, and it will become minus 5ABC. Dear children, let us find out that where is the like term. ABC and ABC are the like term. So we will write it together. 3ABC minus 5ABC, and this is BCX and ABCD, plus 4BCX plus 2ABCD. Now ABC like term, 3 minus 5, it will be minus 2ABC, and rest as usual we will keep. 4BCX plus 2ABCD, and this is the answer. Once more, see it, dear children, that addition and subtraction is possible only between the like term. So that is the answer. Question number 2 you must have understood. Now add each pair of expression. Question number 3, pair of expressions are given and that we have to add. Add pair of expression. See question number 3. Last question I will like to solve. 3, 8. Add each pair of expression. T square plus 2t plus 4 and minus 3t written or L written. Let us think 3t and minus 3t square minus 3t square minus 2t and plus 4. Let me verify whether it is t or L. Okay, let it be, same answer will come. Now, we have to add this expression, pair of expression. One expression is this and one expression is this. We have to add it. Now, two methods are there in addition, horizontal method and one is column method. Both method we will discuss. Horizontal means straight and column means up and then down. Both method we will discuss. Though here in question method is not written, so any of the method you can use. First, we will try to solve by horizontal method. So for horizontal method, write this t square plus 2t plus 4, one bracket, and we have to add. So here plus minus 3t square minus 2t plus 4. Now open the brackets, t square plus 2t plus 4, and it will become minus 3t square minus 2t plus 4. Now I have opened the bracket and wrote. Now collect the like terms together. T square, more t square is there, yes, minus 3t square. No more t square is there, plus 2t and minus 2t plus 4, and this is also plus 4. So first thing, plus 2t and minus 2t will be cancelled, will become 0. And t square, 1t square minus 3t square, it will be minus 2t square, and plus 4 will become plus 8, and this is the answer. Once more see this, how I have added and which method I have followed. The method is horizontal method. Okay, the method is horizontal method. Same question we will solve by column method. So let us see how to solve by column method. May I rub it? First we will make a column, and then second I am showing it by column method. See here, in this I have written t square plus 2t plus 4, and just right below this minus 3t square. So just below t square write minus 3t square minus 2t and plus 4, and we will add it anywhere, either from this side or this side you can do the addition. So 1 minus 3 will be minus 2t square, and plus 2 and minus 2t cancel, and plus 4 will be plus 8, and this is the answer. So by any of the method, if you will do it, you can solve, you can get the answer. So dear children, today up to this much. Thank you very much.